dad today so he could get some stem cell treatment following his stroke, and they were nice enough to offer a stem cell treatment for myself for any medical issues that I had going on. And so, yeah, I ended up getting 35 million stem cells for what I had going on as well. Really quick and easy. I mean, paperwork took hardly any time at all, and before you knew it, you're already set up on the line. All very straightforward, and the questions aren't too invasive, all very easy. And yeah, it's been just a few minutes.